I'm here in Vietnam! Yes, we're here to meet our fans of Vietnam. I'm so excited and at the same time nervous to meet you guys. So for a quick rundown on today's schedule, we'll be going to semi-shop and doing a quick market research. Then I'm excited for some good food in the evening with my coworkers. I'm actually going to do a quick intro of my day to night makeup, including my skincare routine. Also, I will show you my OOTD, so stay tuned until the very end and I'll show you my look. Okay, so I'm gonna start my skincare now. First, after washing your face, I'm going to use the KLAIRS toner with this cotton pad and wipe all the dead skin cells and waste. Use the KLAIRS toner and sponge cotton pad and dab lightly onto your face. A sponge cotton pad is a bit different from ordinary cotton pads. It doesn't absorb the product completely, but it actually spits back out all the products. And the sponge pad will help the product to absorb into your skin. I'm gonna use Magnolia Essence to make sure that my skin is hydrated throughout the day till the evening. This watery, light, and fresh texture leaves skin feeling smooth and just filled with moisture, and it doesn't leave my skin sticky at all. Now I'm going to use the KLAIRS Soothing Cream before applying base makeup. This will balance my oil and water ratio. It's important to restore and balance the skin with oil and hydration, which will protect your skin. Before you put on your makeup, it's important to use a cream that will not give you lotion boogers. What I mean by that is choose a cream that will work well under makeup. Now, this is a trick that I love to do. I love using KLAIRS Sun Lotion as a primer. This sun lotion actually gives me a slight tone up, and it's so great to use as a primer also. Not only does it block UV rays, but it protects the skin by lowering the skin's temperature, and it helps to calm my heated skin. This step would help to prepare my skin for the next step, which is the base makeup, and it really helps my makeup to last longer also. Now, let's start off with my daytime makeup. I'm starting off with KLAIRS Concealer to cover my pores, dark circles, and pigmentation. Just lightly apply around areas you want to cover. Lightly tap, 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 and blend around the applied area. This creamy formula and natural tone-up doesn't easily dry up and creates a smooth, healthy-looking skin tone. I'm gonna use the Chica y Chico Matte Concealer to hide additional areas. This concealer blends in well, so just by using a small amount, it can easily cover troubled spots and also my pigmentations. What's great about this is that the texture is very, very moisturizing, but at the same time, it finishes off with a matte finish. Alright, so up next is KLAIRS Mochi Cushion. I'll be using this Mochi cushion that stays on pretty well while you're sweating or even when I have oily face. It gives a fresh finish to your makeup. What I love about this is that it neutralizes the redness and brightens up dual skin tone, which results in giving a very healthy looking skin tone. Remember, a blusher can give your face a more ba-bam, like whatever features you really want to accent on your face. I think using a blusher can really accent that part. It also gives a very healthy type of glow to your dual face. Okay, so I'm gonna use Chica y Chico eyeshadow. First, mix a bright and dark shade and spread it all over your entire eyelid. This will be your base eyeshadow. Next, I'll be using a pearly brown shade and apply it right on my eyelid and slightly under the eye area. Next, I'm going to use my mascara and eyelash curler for a fuller eyelashes. The Chica Chico eyeliner is quite long lasting, and I will use this to apply a wing at the end of my eyes. Alright, so for my eyebrows, I like to draw my eyebrows in a very natural straight line. This is very popular in Korea. Now finally, I'm going to apply a natural pink lip color a few times for a fresh, finished look. Voila! So my makeup is finally finished. During the day, I'll be doing some market research, and I decided to wear this blouse and a skirt to go with it. Okay guys, so let's head out. Oh crap, I totally forgot. Today I have a very fancy team dinner, so I need to get fixed up. I'm gonna show you how to easily fix your makeup and outfit for the evening. Gently press a dry tissue to the face to get rid of any excess oil. No matter how well you fix your makeup, if you have oily face, your makeup will tend to cake up. It's especially important to get rid of all that excess oil. Use a bit of BB cream on a cotton swab and wipe off areas where your makeup has blotted up. With KLAIRS concealer, I'm going to cover my dark circles and areas around my nose and lips and any areas that look a little bit cakey. I'm gonna use Chica Chico concealer to cover my acne marks and other troubled skin on my face. I'm gonna use it on my T-zone and also my cheekbones. I'm gonna highlight it. I'll use the KLAIRS BB cream with a sponge, which nicely fixes my makeup. Finally, I'm gonna use Chica Chico's powder so that my makeup will stay in place. If you finish off your makeup with loose powder, then it'll help to control sebum and also it will help for your makeup to last longer. Let's contour to make our face shape a little bit slimmer. Let's contour the chin area from the back of my ears till the end like this. I love doing this because I know y'all do it too, but I'm gonna make this skeleton face to contour, baby. This will help to make my face look a little bit shorter. Remember, don't forget your highlighter if you want that little glow for the night look. I'm gonna use it on my T-zone and also my cheekbones. I'm gonna highlight it. So I decided to go for a more smokier, deep night makeup look by using the Chica Chico eyeshadow, and I'm going to pick a very pearly shade. Now I'm gonna use the same eyeliner that I used for the daytime makeup. I'm going to wing it out a little bit longer. I used the light pink color during the day for my lips, but for the nighttime, baby, I'm gonna use a deep burgundy lip color to accent my lips to make my look more sexier and more fabulous. And voila, this will easily fix my day makeup look to a sexy night makeup look. Okay, so I'm late. Now I'm ready to go out and have a drink with my coworkers. Oh crap, I can't go like this. Okay, I'm just gonna roll up my sleeves maybe. Okay, this is working for me. And I love this trick. Just give it a little bit of sexiness. Yes.